Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiat nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kamanshwa kala Saphriang ka video ka bapaw ka dur uraja bat sodam Raghuvanshi hakapor biki Wanphai na Nongriat ya ka bala yo bat shuring dur salonsar da utoris ubarang hiar ban lek ka Shah Nongriat hendrai ubam shim la poi perkhat ban baka dur jogini ki shikurim kan paw haka video ka ba uring bat dei tat hado bandami ki khubor shaphang gini ki arngon ba upoi kan mau ban pej pha mentapat la Saphriang sakadur jogi laingun kibala Shah kem haki pulen kibala paw haka video haka ba kini ki laingut ru kidang Wanphai na Nongriat haka por khandai shiteng ai haka ni ka video kabala Saphriang kini ki laingut kide u Vishal Chauhan u Anand Kurmi but u Akash Rajpun kini ki laingut kide ki brio kibala yoi da local guide na maulakhiat uba Albert Pede uba Jualam ka yiki tourist Shah Nongriat kuman shpin kan mau ba yakini barok kunthum yaka sonam an rasha sora la shai ka sngi ka khanyo trik ujliyo arza apusan bakin pin I ya ka jaka ka baki pinyam yo raja
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.